Hello children, how are you all? Children, today we will be learning about the use of capital letters and full stop. So, when do we use capital letter and full stop? Children, whenever we write any sentence, we always begin the sentence with a capital letter, and when the sentence ends, we always have to put a full stop. That means the sentence has come to an end. Okay? Like, for example, see, a girl is here with a piano. How we will make the sentence? The girl is playing the piano. In this sentence, T of the word the will be written in what? Capital letter. And end, when we end the sentence, we will be ending it with a full stop. Okay? And a very important thing that you must know is wherever in a sentence I will come, it has to be written in capital letter. Okay? No matter it comes in the beginning, it comes in the middle, or it comes at the end of a sentence. Okay? Like, for example, see, there are a few sentences given here. Let's read the first one. I am going to the market. Here I will be in capital, and at the end we will put a small full stop. That means the sentence is ended. Right? Next sentence is I want to go to the park. Right? So here again I is in capital, and at the end there's a full stop. That means our sentence has come to an end. Right? Next is please can I have a cup of tea? Now look, I is in the middle of the sentence. Right? It is in the middle of the sentence. But then too we have to write I in capital. Okay? And the last sentence is Shilpa and I are friends. Again, I is in the middle. But then too we have written I in capital. Okay, got it? See this another sentence. Amit and I are brothers. Again, I is in the middle here, right? So, what we will do? We will write I with capital, right? So, this is the right way to use I in a sentence. And I am very sure and I hope you understood up till now. Okay? Now let's move on to another interesting points. Children, whenever and wherever any name comes in a sentence, the very first alphabet of the name has to be in capital. Okay? For example, here it is written Neha, right? So, N of Neha. Then another name is Aman, A of Aman, T of Tina, A of Arav, and so on. There are so many names now. So, every name's first alphabet will be in capital. Again, no matter it comes in the beginning, it comes in the middle, or it comes at the end of any sentence. Okay? See this sentence. She gave the book to Kamlesh. Now, Kamlesh is also a name, right? So, the first letter of Kamlesh will be in capital. Why? Because Kamlesh is a name. Okay? And in the same way, whenever and wherever, any day of the week. Like, how many days are in a week? 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right? So, if any sentence is having a day in it, right? We will write the first alphabet of that day in capital. Okay, like Sunday starts with S, so S has to be in capital. Okay, in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end. Okay, and so on. See the example? Look how the first sentence is written. Today is Saturday. Is it written correctly? Yes, the spellings are correct, but the way it is written is wrong. How will we correct it? Capital. Okay. And what at the end? A full stop. Yes. That means the sentence has ended, isn't it? Likewise, names of the places also. How will we write the first letter of any place we are talking about in a sentence? In capital. Okay, the first letter of the place should be in capital. Like India, where we live in India. It is our country, right? So I for India will be in capital. Okay. Now we all know where the Red Fort is. It is in New Delhi. New Delhi is also a state and it is also our capital, right? Our country's capital is New Delhi. So Red Fort, it is also a place in New Delhi. So R of red and F of fort will be in capital. Okay. And I'm sure now you all must be clear with the use of capital letter and full stop. Right? Okay, now let's go through few sentences and see how we will correct them. The first sentence is I eat an apple. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct, but the way it is written is incorrect. So let's correct it. Here I will be in capital and at the end there will be a full stop. Now the sentence is correct. Okay? See the second sentence. A cup is on the table. The sentence is correct. But what we will change here? A. A will be in capital and at the end we will end up with a full stop. Okay? Read the third sentence. My sister has many toys. What we will do here? M will be in capital and at the end there will be a full stop. Okay. Next, Ravi is in New Delhi. Now children, look here very carefully. Ravi is the name of a boy, right? So R has to be in capital. And in the same way, New Delhi is a place. So what we will do? We will write N of New and D of Delhi in capital. Okay, right? And then at the end, when we will put a full stop, then our sentence will be completed. Okay. And the last one, it is also very important. Okay. Let's have a look. Neha and Varsha are friends. Now here two names are there. What are the two names? Neha and Varsha, right? So we have to write the first letter of both the names in capital. Okay. N of Neha and V of Varsha we will write in capital. And at the end what we will do? We will put a full stop. Okay. And then our sentence will be correct. Okay. So, my lovely children, I hope you understood the use of capital letter and full stop. And it will be more clear to all of you when you will practice and practice the different sentences more and more, isn't it? So, all the best and goodbye for now.